Join me as I take on the challenge of making $1,000 using these business ideas, and let's see if I can actually pull it off. Making an extra $1,000 can be a game changer, whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or just have some extra spending money. I've been in your shoes, searching for ways to boost my income, and I know how frustrating it can be to find ideas that actually work. The problem is, most people struggle to find the time or resources to start a new venture. Many are stuck in a 9-to-5 job, dreaming of financial freedom but unsure where to begin. Others might have the drive but lack the know-how. I've been there too, feeling overwhelmed by the possibilities and not knowing which path to take. We've all been there, scrolling through social media, seeing people claim they've made a fortune with some easy business idea only to feel skeptical. It's hard to know what to trust and what will actually generate income. That's why I'm excited to share these practical business ideas that have the potential to bring in real money. Let's dive into some business ideas that can actually help you make $1,000 or more. First up, online tutoring or teaching. If you're an expert in a particular subject, you can offer your services on platforms like TutorMe, Chegg, or even create your own website. Initial investment is basically zero if you already have a computer and internet. Time commitment varies, but you can set your own schedule. Potential profits: $20 to $100 per hour, depending on your expertise. Another idea is dropshipping. With dropshipping, you create an online store and sell products without holding any inventory. You partner with a supplier who ships products directly to your customers. Initial investment can be low, around $100 to get started. Time commitment is significant upfront, but once your store is set up, it can run on autopilot. Potential profits range from $500 to $2,000 per month, depending on your marketing and product choices. Freelance writing or graphic design is another lucrative option. If you have a way with words or design skills, you can offer your services on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Initial investment is minimal, and you can start applying for gigs right away. Time commitment varies by project, but experienced freelancers can earn $50 to $200 per hour. Affiliate marketing is also worth exploring. By promoting products or services from companies and earning a commission on sales, you can generate significant income. Initial investment is usually low, and with the right strategy, you can earn $1,000 or more per month. Time commitment is ongoing, but the potential for passive income is huge. One standout business idea that I think has the highest potential for success is creating and selling online courses. With the rise of online learning, there's a huge demand for courses on just about anything. If you're knowledgeable in a particular area, you can create a course and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. Initial investment can be low, and once your course is created, it can generate passive income. Potential profits: $1,000 to $5,000 per month or more, depending on your marketing and course quality. To recap, we've covered several business ideas that can help you make $1,000 or more, from online tutoring and dropshipping to freelance writing and affiliate marketing. The key is to choose an idea that aligns with your skills and interests and to be willing to put in the effort required to succeed. If you've got a favorite business idea or a success story to share, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear about it. And if you're looking for more business ideas and tips, be sure to check out my other videos for more insights.